Hey there, welcome. I'm Amrita from Artria Jewelry, and today we're going to make a pair of simple jade earrings to match this necklace we made in the other video. If you haven't seen that video, I will link it up in the cards and down in the description below. But this was a necklace that I upcycled this pendant that I found. I think it's handmade by another artist, and I really wanted to give it its due respect here. So I don't know who you are, but if you made this and if you see this, please let me know. But it's a beautiful piece. It has different sorts of metals in there. I think it's a copper back with aluminum in different colors. So really wanted to bring out those colors in this. And what we did was we wire wrapped jade beads with aluminum wire to finish this statement necklace. So I want to make a pair of simple earrings to match this and sell it as a set. So for tools, I'm going to use my regular tools, a pair of bent nose pliers, a pair of needle nose pliers, a pair of flush cutters, my 6-step looping pliers, a ruler, and a metal file. And for materials, we're going to need a pair of ear wires. I'm using 20 gauge aluminum wire to make the earring, so we make our own headpins. And then some 4mm spacer beads, the daisy spacers. And then I'm going to use 8mm jade beads, 6mm jade beads, and then these small 4mm jade beads. So I have 2 of each of those sizes for the 2 earrings. To get started, I'm going to cut myself about a foot of this wire. I don't need the whole length, but I find that when we cut ourselves a slightly longer wire to make these headpins, any excess I can use for other projects and not have too much wastage. So to make the first headpin, we'll make our headpins first. So to do that, I'm going to flush cut the end of the wire. And then using my smallest step of the looping pliers, I'm going to make 3 loops. And then where it meets the 4th loop, I'm going to cross it up like that. And then we're going to pass the wire through and pull it all the way through to make the stopper at the bottom. That's really neat. It gives you a nice finished look. And now I'm going to thread on the beads. So I'm starting with the largest jade bead. I'm going to put on 2 spacer beads. A medium-sized bead. Two spacer beads. And then the smallest 4mm bead. And that's going to be our simple drop earrings to match this necklace. And the reason I'm using spacer beads here is just to bring out a little of that metal from the pendant into this. You don't have to use it because we don't use it in the necklace, but I thought that'll add a little bit of bling to the earrings. And then I'm going to use the smallest step of my pliers, fold the wire over, and then make my lollipop loop. And what this does is allows me some space to make some wraps on top of the earring as well. Again, mimicking these wraps that are in the necklace. So I'm going to hold that down and wrap 3 times. And then I'm going to snip that wire off and tuck it in. There we go. So we have one done. We're going to make the second one in the same way. Flush cut that end. Go around 3 times to make a coil. And then bring the wire up. And because this is aluminum wire, it's really soft. So I'm being gentle with the tools. And it also makes it easier to just pull things with your fingers as opposed to using tools. So I try to do that when I can, so I don't damage the metal. And there we have that strung on. So again, make the loop on the top. And wrap that 3 times. And then I'm going to open the ear wires and slip the earring on. And there we go, we have the matching earrings for this beautiful pendant. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Have a beautiful day.